Okay, in today's video, we have the Blink Wink box. This is $32.99. This is a newer subscription. You are what? Try that again. You are supposed to get between 5 to 9 full-size items, and this subscription is all about the eyes. So you might get like eyelashes, eyeliner, mascara, eyeshadow, stuff like that. This is the second time I'm unboxing this. So if this is something that you want to see, hear my thoughts and opinions, then keep on watching. All right, really quickly, I have not filmed a video in over 2 weeks. So I did post a video on my second channel. If you don't know, I do have a second channel called Just Anne's World. And over there is more like personal. I do like walk and talks, car vlogs, story times, different things like that. So I did explain why I haven't been on camera, like on both channels in over 2 weeks. I did have a little relapse, and in that video, it's an hour long because I had to drive up close to New York, so I was driving 4 hours. And I knew I was going to vlog and explain why I haven't posted, but nothing was planned, so that was the most vulnerable, like, sincere video I've ever made, you know. It just came straight from the heart. Wasn't scripted, you know. I didn't know how I was going to say it, but I do talk a lot about my upbringing, different things, why sometimes I'm so reactionary, and up to the part to where, you know, I had the relapse, and it's embarrassing, but I think the first step is to admit, right? And anyway, so if you're interested in that, I will leave the video down below. Anyway, let's talk about the Blink Wink box. Now, this is July's box because, like I said, I haven't filmed in a couple weeks. But I did want to unbox this. A lot of the July boxes, I'm going to call it a wash. I do have the August Ipsy X. I do have the BoxyCharm. I'm going to be filming them all today. But I really like the Blink Wink box, so I wanted to get it out to you. And then when August comes, I'll unbox August as well. So let's open her up. I haven't even opened her up. Let me find my knife. When am I ever prepared? It has been about 12 or 13 days from withdrawal, and today is the first day that I'm actually, like, put makeup on. I feel a lot better today. You know, I still have my, like, sweats and all that kind of stuff, but you know, I feel a lot better today. So all right, I don't know if I showed you the box. This is the box, so it's like holographic. Oh, I do have a code. It's Just Anne in all caps. Saves you some money off. I love the fact that this is magnetic. Oh, I have to cut the tape here too. And what I love about the packaging is you get a little mirror here. How cool is that? So here's a little sneak peek. Not too much, you know, I like to tease a little bit. Okay. Holy crap, there is a lot of stuff in here. Okay, so let me take everything out. The only thing is, you don't get a card. And I think there needs to be a card in here so I can give a little description and stuff like that. But anyway, so everything's out. Let me put the box aside. Okay, so the first thing is from Manica Dar Beauty. It's called Lavish Lashes. And then there's the back. Let's open her up. Holy crap, do you get a lot. Look at this, guys. If you hear behind here is my bed, and my dog Nala is there. She'll be 6 in September. She's a blue-nosed pit. But we just got a little puppy, a bully puppy. I think this week will be either 11 or 12 weeks old, and she tires Nala out. So Nala was like begging to come upstairs, you know, like to get a little break. Anyway, so how many pairs do we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then you also get a little tool. Now you guys know I don't wear lashes, but my daughter does. And she likes these, like the dramatic ones. It goes from like natural to more dramatic. But I keep saying I want to try lashes. So I'm definitely going to try these. I want to do a live stream this weekend because I have a lot of different things that I got sent to me that I want to try out. And we'll try lashes out. So that's pretty cool. Oh, and you also get glue. Now that's good. I always say, because people that don't wear lashes may not have lash glue, right? So, wow. Alrighty. That's pretty cool. Okay. So these two things are from Hikari. Now, Hikari is a brand, I do like their stuff, but they're very overpriced. Like, I got something from Hikari before. It was like a blush palette that had 4 different blushes that was like $53. You know what I mean? So, all right. So, what you be? All right. So, this is an eyeliner. It says new in the shade Orchard. So, let's see what color you be. One thing I noticed about this box is, like, if you do get an eyeliner, it's not black. It's always different colors, you know? Now, watch this be black. I don't know. But that's what it looks like. And how do you open it? Is it taped? It's probably taped. Ah, okay. So, it's one of the, like, gel ones. Okay, so let's do a little swatch. Ooh, this is pretty. I sound southern then. Purdy. Right there. Look at that. It's like a purplish color. Pinkish purple. On camera looks more purple, but in real life it's like pinkish purple. Very pretty. And I love, like today, I have blue on my waterline. I love putting color on my waterline, so I'm happy about that. That will definitely get some use. Okay, and this one is in the color Ocean, so hopefully it's blue. I think blue was probably my favorite color eyeliner to put on. If you're scared of color, even with eyeshadow, put some color in your waterline. I'm telling you, it'll make your eyes pop. Okay. Oh yeah, that's pretty. That's a beautiful color. It's like a baby blue. This is my mom's favorite color. Baby blue. That's gorgeous. Look at that. All right. So far, I like everything in the box. Okay. So the next thing is from Oakland. And what are you? It says shiny. I don't have my glasses. I think it's an eyeliner. First of all, the packaging is just gorgeous. It's like glitter. And it's not the kind that like comes off. That's beautiful. I love the packaging. Okay, so it's a liquid eyeliner. Now, I don't usually use liquid eyeliners, but I'm going to make it really thick so you can see the color. But I would use this actually as like a shimmer shade. Like if you already have a shimmer shade on and you just want a little pop, that's what I would use it for, because look how beautiful and opaque that is. That is gorgeous. Like, I'm definitely going to use this. Definitely. Wow, I'm impressed. I was impressed last month, but I'm really impressed. Okay, so the next thing is this thingamajiggy. I don't know what you are. What are you? Oh, it's from ColourPop. It says Town Away. Oh, it's 2 Super Shock shadows. I think we got that last month, you know? And these colors are beautiful. And it goes with the eyeliner. See, I love when boxes do that. It's not that they're just throwing everything in there. Like, this is everything for a full eye look, you know? So these are the 2 colors here. Again, this one last month too, it came a little broke. That's because they're very like soft, but you could just push them back together, you know? So this is in the shade Ladybird. So it's a very little, like I'm going to show you. You just push it right back in. And look, I'm just tapping it. And you see that? So that's fine. All right, let's do a little swatch. I love Super Shock shadows. That's gorgeous. Yes, it is. One swatch. Look at that. Ooh, that would have went pretty with my eye look. Yes, ma'am. All right. And the next one is this blue color. And what are you? It's called Mint for You. Ooh, okay. I'm really excited. It's like a greenish blue, I guess. Swatch you, baby. Look at that. I'll put it next to this one. That is gorgeous, too. I think I like this one better, but that's really pretty, too. And then you have the palettes. You have 2 eyeshadow palettes in here. I think they're eyeshadow palettes. I mean, for $32.99, guys, you can't beat this. And it's an all makeup subscription. That's why I wanted to unbox it. I can't wait till August comes. All right, so you have 2 eyeshadows. This is from Oakland, and it's called the Sundowners 18 Color Shadow Palette. And that's on the back. So this is more like a neutral palette, I guess. Let's see. Ooh, and it's right up my alley, like the colors. Wait till you see. So you have a nice mirror, which is a nice. Hello there. Okay, let's see. Let's take that piece off. Yeah, I mean, guys, you know, my favorite eyeshadow is like the orangey colors and stuff. Warm tones. That is like right up my alley. Let me get a wipe to wipe my fingers off. And we'll do a couple swatches of the mattes and of the shimmers, just so I can see what the formula is like. Okay, let's see. Okay, so here's 4. Look at those mattes. That's only 1 time. That's beautiful. All right, let me wipe my fingers off and we'll do a couple of the shimmers. Okay, so here's 4 shimmers. Wow, that's nice too. I probably put it in the... I don't know how you're going to see it. But that's nice too. So those are the mattes and those are the shimmers. This one is like a light color right here. Really, really nice. All right. All right. And this is from, ooh, Cara Beauty. I love Cara Beauty's palettes. I really, really do. Okay. So, oh, it has a sticker on it. Hold the phone. This is called the Bloom For You. It's a butterfly palette. Oh, this has a sticker on this side too. Okie dokie. Okay. So look at this. It's magnetic, guys. Oh, that's so awesome. And, oh, wait, hold on. I'm getting excited here. So you can make it as a butterfly, but you can open them up. These are beautiful. Holy crap. Let me take the little pieces. Look at that. So I'm going to take it apart so you can see. Look at the purple, guys. That is absolutely gorgeous. Like this has like a marble. I don't know what you can see. And then look at this. It's like bluish green. And let me just show you. See how the eyeliners all go? Like this goes with the palette. These eyeliners go with this. Oh my goodness. And I can tell you firsthand, I do like Cara Beauty's formula. So let me do a couple of the swatches. And we'll do 2 shimmer shades. Okay, so we have 2 mattes and 2 shimmer shades. Look at that. Okay, so this one here was on my pinky, and I would have to build it up. But these are mattes. This is a shimmer, and this one with here was on my pinky, see? But that's really pretty. You can either go blue or green. Okay, let me wipe my hands off. Let's do the purple. I love purple eyeshadow too. Okay. What? The shimmers, I don't know how I feel. But you could probably go in and wet them. But these are the mattes and these are 2 shimmers. But this is like a light shimmer, you know. I think these are just gorgeous. Alright, so that's everything in the box for $32.99. You use my code, you save some money off. I don't make anything out of it. It's just for you guys. But let me show you everything that you get in this box. I can't get over it. Okay, so you get 2 eyeliners. You know, you put on your waterline. Then I don't know if this is an eyeliner or what. This is that here, but I would, for me, because since I don't use liquid eyeliner, I would use it like, you know, as a shimmer shade. You know what I mean? Because you can do that. You get 2 Super Shock shadows from ColourPop. You get 2 of, they're really 2 palettes, but look, they're magnetic, from Cara Beauty. Beautiful. You get another palette here. And it's all like warm tones. And I love me some warm tone palettes. This reminds me of the Natasha Denona palette, the Sunset palette. And, I mean, look at all these lashes you get. With the tulle and the, what do you call that? The lash glue. I mean, I really like this box. I really do. See, last year, they only sent me one box and like, I don't know what happened. They just stopped. Well, with COVID and everything else, they had a relaunch. Last month, I believe it was last month, was their first box. It was amazing. This is July's box. I cannot wait till August box comes. Like, I'm telling you, I really, really recommend this beauty box, especially if you want all makeup. These indie beauty boxes, in my opinion, are getting better than the BoxyCharm and Ipsy. All jokes aside, you know, if you're looking for all makeup, you know. But let me know what you think. If I had to rate this on a scale of 1 to 5, 1, I'm throwing it in the trash, and 5, I'm doing cartwheels. I say about a 4, 4.5. The only reason is I don't wear lashes, but I already know lashes are coming in here, but I can give it to my daughter. You know what I'm saying? I think it's a great, great box. And for $32.99, I think it's pretty good. It's well priced. You know what I'm saying? And like I said, if you use my code, you save some money off. But let me know down below, what do you think of this box? Have you heard of it? I'll try to, if I can remember, put last month's box in the description box. That way you can see a couple months worth. But yeah, let me know what you think of this box. Would you get it? Would you not? Let me know down below. And that's everything, guys. I'm glad I'm back. It's good to be back. And like I said, I will put that video down below. Check it out, you know. And, yeah, that's everything, guys. Please like this video. It really does help me out. Or dislike it. That helps me out as well. Make sure you leave a comment. That helps out with engagement. And, yeah. Stay beautiful. Stay blessed. Stay healthy. And most importantly, always stay you. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.